Let us learn today about refraction of light. We are having here four devices. One name is here prism. It is having five surfaces. Another is rectangular glass slab, six surfaces. This is a convex lens made of glass also. And this is concave lens made of glass. Here we are knowing that in the refraction there are two mediums. One medium is air, another medium is say glass. Then ray of light enters from air to glass slab and then passes to air again. Similarly, in the other devices, a ray of light passes from air to glass and then emergent ray comes into air again. Let us come to the lens, convex lens. Convex lens is thick in the middle and thin at the periphery. Periphery means surface. This curved surface outside is known as periphery or circumference. Here is it thin at the periphery. If we are observing the image in a convex lens, then we will observe here just like the object is here and this is without lens. If you are placing here a lens, then the size of the image magnifies. If you are coming closer, then small size. If you are increasing the distance, then size of letters increases here. This is the identification of convex lens from concave lens. Let us check the similar things in another lens, that is concave lens. Here concave lens is thin in the middle and thick at the periphery, and if you are placing this on an object and increase the distance from the objects are letter here and lens is the device. If we increase distance between lens and letters, then size of letters decreases, continuously decreases. Coming closer, increasing, going away, decreasing. This concave lens is used in spectacles used by the students, say 10 to 25 age group, and it is used for the correction of myopia, that is short sightedness. In myopia, students are able to see nearby object, means they are able to read book but unable to see the far object, that is the board in the classroom. And this is the reason that this correction is done by concave lens, because the far point from infinity comes closer to the lens and eye can observe the virtual image found at closer far point, and it is distinctly observed by the eye. Convex lens is used by the persons who are suffering from hypermetropia or long sightedness. They are able to see the far object but unable to see the nearby object. In the old age, after 50 years almost, this is required for correction of hypermetropia. If a person is suffering from both myopia and hypermetropia, then for the myopia correction, upper part of the lens is made concave. This is the concave lens, and lower part is made of convex lens. In this way, bifocal lens are used by the persons suffering from presbyopia, that is both defects are present in their eye. Here, this is the device known as prism. It is having five surfaces and there are two phenomena for it. One is refraction